Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Shure DFR11EQ Equalizer and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset basically for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If it seems like this equalizer, the software on it or anything like that, especially if you have version 5, is freezing or kind of hanging up or lagging or sluggish or anything like that, or not responding properly, a factory reset can very often fix a lot of those issues. Now the other reason you might want to do this is just if you're kind of setting this up in a new situation and you don't want to try to manually change things, you just want to automatically in one fell swoop return it back to the way it was when it came out of the box. We can go ahead and do this. It's really easy to do on this device. So all we need to do is basically turn it off and make sure it's completely unplugged from the AC power. And then all we need to do is we're just going to come in and find and press the clear button and then this third preset button. And we're just going to press and hold that clear button and third preset button while we plug it back in. And when we do that, and just keep holding it while you plug it back in as it powers up, that will cause it to power back up into its factory default state. We can go ahead and set it up like new.